This green board is a late-layer PCB with impedance control and over hundreds of components, which is widely used in industrial control equipment. A flat cable is soldered on this black PCBA. It is for artificial intelligence products. Flexible PCB is a great help to save the internal space and reduce the volume of the finished product. Now we can see a rigid and flexible PCB and an aluminum PCB. They are normally used in LED lighting, LCD screens, motherboards, and displays. Here we can see our new and clean SMT factory with 3,000 square meters. We have introduced in high precision pick and place machine, online and offline AOI, X-ray, SPI, 8 temperature reflow soldering machine, and wave soldering machine.